Hey everyone, welcome back to South Delhi Floors Property Vlogs. I'm Mohit Minocha, and in this video I'll be showing a 200 square yards park facing luxury first floor in Nizamuddin East. It's a very well planned 3 bedrooms builder floor apartment by a very good builder of South Delhi with loaded interiors, a luxury kitchen, luxury bathrooms. Now let's start the video tour. A very pleasing elevation. This is located in one of the best locations of Nizamuddin East. It's a peaceful road, park facing location. A stilt car parking for proportionate parking between the floors. Automatic door Schindler lift and a beautiful wooden door at the entrance of the first floor. This is the spacious drawing room loaded with interior detailing, all Italian marble flooring, and a very spacious layout. This is the spacious front balcony overlooking the park and greenery all around. It's a fully air-conditioned apartment, and this is the luxury false ceiling design in the living room. This is the spacious first bedroom with a full wall-to-wall closet. Every bedroom has a different style of false ceiling. A fully modern and modular wardrobe. This is the luxury bathroom attached with the first bedroom. A shower cubicle with rain shower. All branded luxury bathroom fittings. A spacious and a wider foyer. This is the luxury kitchen with loaded appliances. There's already a chimney, hob, microwave and oven installed. This is the luxury second bedroom. All the bedrooms are very spacious and very well planned. This bedroom also has a feature wall with ambient lighting and a beautiful modular closet. Large UPVC doors and windows, and a very stylish bathroom attached with the second bedroom with a beautiful vanity, a stylish mirror, beautiful wall light to enhance the look and feel of this bathroom. ambient lighting in the vanity to make it more appealing, and a shower cubicle with rain shower. This is the third bedroom. Even this bedroom has a full wall-to-wall closet. Every bedroom has a different style of false ceiling and different style of wardrobe shutters. And this is the stylish bathroom attached with the third bedroom. This is the rear balcony that also has washing area. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe South Delhi Flows for many more luxury properties like this. And for site visit and price queries, just call 9999004511.